welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video we're going to be trying out a new product that was sent to me. This is a Coco Eve hair mask. This is from Coco Eve, Like a Virgin, super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask. And there's a bonus detangler in here for free that's sent along with the package. So this is how it comes. It's like this. Open it. It's not a video unless I drop something. And this is how it is on the inside. So it comes with this free detangler, which is valued at $15, which is so cool. Look at it. It fits in my hand perfectly. And then we got this Coco Eve, Like a Virgin, super nourishing coconut and fig mask. Ooh, everything smells 10 times stronger. So lately my hair has been it's been looking really dull. I've told you guys this since the beginning of my pregnancy. I feel like my baby is sucking out all the prettiness of my hair. I feel like it just looks super dull. And Coco Eve reached out to me and they're like, hey, we want you to try our mask. We know you're gonna love it. And I was like, okay. So they were so kind enough to sponsor this video. So I was so excited to try it out. They told me, hey, give it an honest review. Let us know what you think. And I love hearing that. So we're gonna be trying out their mask. This comes in the package. It says, shampoo your hair as usual. Use our mask in place of your regular conditioner. Leave for 10 minutes, then rinse. So it's kind of simple. It's like nothing like you gotta do like jumping jacks or something. It's just basically take your shower, apply this, and then to get everything like, you know, coated all the way through your hair, we're gonna be using their really nice brush that they sent, and we're just going to comb it all the way through, making sure that the product is all in our hair. Then we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, chill, shave our legs, do a little dance, and then we're gonna rinse it, and then we're gonna see how well it's going to do on this hair. Like look at you guys. I know you guys see it. It just doesn't look happy. Like when you look at your hair, you know, sometimes you're like, it just doesn't look happy. Mine doesn't look happy. It looks sad. So this product has fig, shea butter, linseed, and argan oil. Our unique formula creates super smooth and healthy hair after just one single wash. So I'm gonna hold you guys to that. Improves texture and shine for silky, soft, amazing hair. Restores hair to its pure virgin state to treat split ends and tame frizz. Okay, cool, because you guys can see the frizz. And I do have a lot of split ends because I like to straighten my hair a lot. It hydrates hair while maintaining volume, so it moisturizes your hair without weighing it down. Ooh! Rejuvenates and revives parched hair, damaging by styling, heat, dyes, and environment. Oh my gosh. Because you guys know I used to dye my hair a lot. And then, yeah, so this is claiming that's going to do a lot of good things. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this is going to do it in one single wash, because it did say honest review, so a ver qué pasa, and we're gonna see. I need this mask to work and kick butt. This pelo. So you guys, we're gonna be doing this together. I'm gonna do it up close so you guys can see how everything looks before. I'm gonna be taking a shower. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to be applying it to my hair, and then we're going to see, does it really work? So let me do a close-up of my pelo. Okay, so here's my hair. You guys see, like, it's not it's just like, ugh, like look at it, it's just like, we'll see you guys. So I just got out of the shower. Here is how my hair looks. Now I'm going to use the Coco Eve, and I'm just going to comb through my hair. I think it looks so good, and it feels so freaking soft, you guys. So soft. So I took my shower, and my hair feels so freaking soft, you guys. So soft. I can feel a difference. It feels super, super good. It feels soft. It smells so good. So good. But yeah, look. Ooh. It looks so nice. I'm going to style it. This thing right here, you can see my pillow. But this thing right here, I like it a lot. Oh, I've always wanted one, so I'm like, oh my gosh. I really like it. I like how it cups your hand. It's just so cool. But the hair mask itself is really good. I love how rich it felt, and it's really nice going in my hair. It wasn't like a runny conditioner or anything like that. It was really thick, and I like how it just coated all my hair, and I could just feel it. So I left it on for 10 minutes, and I even combed through it, made sure that I got everything, because I didn't want to just slap it on, boom, done. I wanted to really get in there and get every strand of hair. Chilled for like 10 minutes, shaved my legs, boom, out. Oh, and it felt so good. So now I'm going to style it, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Okay, so I'm back. My hair feels so soft. I feel like I'm on those commercials where you're just like, yes, yes, yes. Where your hair just feels so freaking good, and it's just got some volume going on. My hair looks nice. My hair looks healthy. I love it. I feel like when your hair, makeup, or your nails are done, you just feel like, and since I have my nails done and my makeup and my hair done right now, I just feel like superwoman just right now. I really like the hair mask. I feel like it really did a difference. I even styled my hair, and it still feels soft. Sometimes when you use like a deep conditioner and then you go in with the hot tools after, kind of doesn't really feel soft still, but mine still does, and it smells so good. Would I recommend that to you guys? Hell yes. And you get a free hairbrush. And you might have thought like I used a lot. You might have thought like, hey, Lex used a lot, but I really didn't. It's just so freaking creamy and thick. Thickums. I really didn't. So I'm gonna have this in my hair routine now. It says once a week, so boom, once a week. Gonna have a spa day in the bathroom, take care of my hair, because yes. And I'm definitely gonna do it before baby comes, and hopefully either she comes on her due date, or if I get induced, I have a date. So I'm like, okay, when I have to do this, because I love the way my hair looks right now. I really do. You guys can see it on my face. I'm like smiling, like you guys can see my gums and everything. So everyone who is claiming that it is amazing, it's awesome, it's changed their hair, I see what you mean. If you guys are interested, I'll leave their information down below. You do not have to look into it at all, but you guys seen how my hair was like, yes. Okay, so, and I like that we got this. I love this little hair detangler. I always wanted one of these, and it's so cool because now I got one, and I'm like, oh. So if you guys purchase it, you guys will get the hair detangler for free. And who doesn't like free stuff? You know what I mean? Especially if it's like, there, we'll throw that in there too, and just like, hell yeah. I give this a 10 out of 10. Wasn't disappointed at all, and that is my honest thoughts on the product. You guys seen it for yourself, how my hair looked and how it looks now. Just take my word for it. It feels freaking awesome, you guys. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep up to my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.